Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra and I hope you are well. In this video, we'll share the most recent update of the Remini app because in this update, Remini removed totally sign up process. As you can see this interface, now click on next. And now you can see directly profile, my profile, and you have need to choose your name or select this random name or choose as you wish and select profile photo. So I'm selecting this one and click on the next. So as you can see this type of interface now appear. It's really different from the previous one. In this update Remini removes some features on the home page, but on the settings you can find a lot of as the previous version. So as you can see now I'm selecting the picture and check out it's improved or anything else. Why Remini removes some features like paint, animate face, and a lot of features available in this app in previous updates, but in this update Remini removed. I don't know why, but it's happened in this update. But in this update you can get one of the best feature in my opinion. You have not required sign up process anymore. So simply create profile, but this app still required internet connection. So the overall output quality is really improved as you can see. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please consider to subscribe. I have noticed only 1%, even less than 1% people subscribe. So please consider to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. So as you can see, enhanced plus version of the Remini app and the video enhance feature, and you have need to subscribe its pro version to get this feature. Because Remini app is not available in any type of pro mode APK, and please do not waste any time on this type of videos. Because this type of videos is totally fake. That's why I considered this update is best and I have need to share with you something. So please do not waste any type of pro mode APK because this is web based app and you have need to purchase its pro version from Remini. If you have any question regarding this app, so please let me know in the comment section, and also please tell me what you think about this update. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Thanks for watching.